Trent and I are going to tell you about the 2004 17-year cicada emergence. This is Trenton and I'm Lou, and we're going to look at some cicadas. Okay? The cicadas have been out a few years, or a few days now, about 2 or 3 days, and you can see how they're coming up. These are mostly shells, but there's a few live ones here. They're still coming up and getting ready to climb up to the tree. This is around the base of a maple tree. And we'll go in and look at the shells all over the tree. You'll also find them clinging to the trees. Squished cicadas. Of course, the birds are having a good time. It's the birdie buggy buffet.
Hi, I'm Trenton. This is Lou. Welcome to Cicadas 17 years later. Ready to see some bugs?
Okay.
You can find them in the trees and floating in the breeze. They'll be on your mailbox and even on your socks. Look on a nearby pole and crunch on your shoe sole. To complete the insect motif, they're even under a leaf. Lest you forget that they're around, just listen for that sound. Cicadas.
Well, now that we're back, you've seen us 17 years ago and you've seen us now. What do you think of the differences? Trenton, how have you changed?
I'm taller, not there, but still almost, almost. I have facial hair. I have more speaking lines now. I'm past one word. How about you, Highness?
Oh, well, let's see. I have a watch.